put extra dips on my fish ball. Can you cook now?
Yeah, let's cook.
I'm hungry.
This is a review of the Walmart single burner. We went last time. She said we should buy this so we can vlog our cooking.
Vlog or cooking? Vlog my boyfriend's cooking because I don't cook. Okay, so today is it's currently 2. I have work at 4, so I have to leave by 3. So before we leave, we're going to be making fish balls. So I'm already thawing them in warm, not cold water. Warm water is preferred at all times, but cold water is good too. Vegetable oil.
Put an X cup amount of oil in the pan.
Kind of like a. What is that? Can you take that out? You can wipe it down before you use it. Put too much oil. Oh, by the way, the brand says Fishballs. The brand of our fish balls is called Fishballs.
There you go.
The best thing you should do, since you're putting a wet fish ball into the can you get the towel?
Hot oil.
Into hot oil, is to dry it. So just pat it dry before you throw it in there. So I'm just cutting it in half, so it goes from a quote unquote ball, and just cutting it in half like this. Ta-da!
Actually, this is already fully cooked. So the action of putting it in the hot oil is just
Double
technically
cooking it. Re-cooking it.
warming it up.
As you can see, it starts to float to the top. What the heck of a colander? What the heck of a colander?
This is fine.
What
This is good.
No, I want it burnt.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, and here's our sweet sauce. This fishball sweet sauce. We'll put it with this one. Dip it into the sauce. Of course, you don't double dip, so I make sure I like the sauce a lot.
You want to close out the video?